Hey everyone, this is a quick demonstration video for a JVC QL-Y66F. This is a quartz locked, fully automatic turntable. It dates from about the mid-80s. Just a quick history, I got this turntable from the original owner. He's now a retired Delta Airlines pilot. He purchased it brand new. It was relocated, so he packed it up shortly after he purchased it and relocated and moved, and it's literally been sitting in the box ever since. So this is a bit of a time capsule turntable. It is in stunning mint condition. There's not a mark anywhere on it. The dust cover is in amazing condition with only very minor signs of use. Just stunning. I mean, absolutely beautiful. No dents, no dings. It comes with the original S tone arm, which is an optional tone arm that JVC offered with this. It's got the straight tone arm in there now, but this is the S tone arm. These are usually missing and actually quite rare. It comes with the original box, the original packing, and a counterweight. And it also comes with some other things like some cleaning solutions and stuff like that. But just stunning. If you go on the forums and do a search, for this turntable, you'll see they're highly regarded. They're extremely well built. Sounds amazing. Everything on this turntable works exactly like it should. I've tested every function and it is working beautifully. But let's go ahead and play a record real quick. I'm more of a reel-to-reel guy, so my record collection isn't vast, but this is Mussorgsky Pictures at an Exhibition. Some classical music. Yeah, that sounds great. So this is the stop function. We'll bring the arm up. Move it over. And this is the up and down function. Let's go ahead and bring it over. And you can operate this turntable manually if you want. And let's go ahead and start it. You can start the turntable just rotating and bypass all that. The automatic function and go manual with these controls over here, and let's go down. And there's also a repeat function on this. So if you get to the end of the record and you want to just keep playing it over and over again, you just hit this repeat function right here. Let's go ahead and set it down, and when it gets to the end of the turntable, it'll lift it up, bring it back to the beginning of the record, and play it. There's also a zero balance function right there. Well, let's go ahead and test the speed. This is the 45 RPM speed. And it's also got a repeat function for 45 records. So if you hit this button right here and go ahead and let's hit stop and bring it back. and then hit start when it's set to the 17 size records. It'll bring it all the way to the 45. And play it. So everything on this deck, turntable, works exactly like it should. It's in amazing cosmetic condition, just extremely well preserved. Like I said earlier, it comes with the S-shaped tone arm, which these are quite rare because they're usually lost with these as they go through, different owners. It comes from the original owner, comes with all the original packing and box. It's just an amazing condition and sounds stunning. It really does. Just showroom condition turntable. But anyways, thanks for watching.